Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to learn how to use the distributive property. Distributive property, in a nutshell, is essentially multiplication. You know how if you have like 4 times 8? All those parentheses mean is multiply me. So you just multiply the 4 times the 8, and you get 32. Alright, now, what we're going to learn is how to do distribution. So let's try this. 3 plus x. Oh, wow, that's ugly. Don't worry about that, though. We'll get through it. Alright, minus 4x plus 2. And then we'll do plus 3. Okay. Would have done more, but this little guy got in my way. Alright, here we go. So whenever we do distributive property, all we're doing is essentially multiplying the number that's on the outside of the parentheses by everything inside the parentheses. Okay? Now, to do that, a lot of people do this little guy. Little bunny rabbit jumping over. Okay, so we multiply the 2 times 3, that is 6. We multiply 2 times x, which is 2x. Alright, that looks like a b. It's not, it's a 6. Alright, now, here's a distributive property part where a lot of people screw up. Okay, you got this little plus sign right here. I'm sorry, just kidding. Gotcha. Testing you, passed barely, F plus. That's a negative sign. Now, a lot of people think, oh, okay, and they just drop it and they make that negative 4x plus 2. Well, that would be completely wrong. Okay, what you have to do is you have to essentially know that that's like negative 1 times all this. So you would do negative 1 times the 4x, negative 1 times the 2. Now, pretty much what that means is you're just going to switch the signs on everything. Well, these are both positive, so we don't have to switch anything that's a negative already. So we make it negative 4x, and then negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2. Alright, then you're done with that, and then you just do 3 times x. I don't know why I threw that in there, plus 3x. And then you would go on to combine your like terms, which would be the x's, and then you would combine these because they're regular numbers. So that would give you 4, because you do 6 minus 2, and you could do 2x minus 4x, which is negative 2x, plus 3x, which is positive 1x, plus x. That would be your answer. Now, one thing you might want to know for the distributive property, let's say you have more than one. Say you've got 2x, and you got 3 plus 4x minus x squared plus 18x to the third. Okay, and you're like, wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. No matter. Still get to distribute it in there, okay? To each one of these. Okay, make sure you keep the signs that are in front of it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. We'll distribute that in there. That is 6x. Mark it out. Now, you don't mark out the 2x because we're still using it. We got to distribute everything in there. Oops, I did drop my bad. Don't worry about that. Alright, and then that'd be, you do 2x times 4x, which means it would be 2 times 4 is 8. It's a positive 8. And then x times x is x squared. Mark that out. And then we do this. It'd be like negative 1 times 2, which is negative 2. And then we do our x's, which would now be x to the third. Alright, and then your last one, 2 times 18 is positive 36. We do x times x to the third, which is x to the fourth. Alright, and I've actually already got that in order. No, I don't. Maybe I do. Who cares? That's the end of this lesson. Distributive property! We're out.
Hey, thanks for showing up. Give me a subscribe and check out TarverAcademy.com. Pizza?
You heard that, dude, so go ahead and check out TarverAcademy.com. Check out my Facebook page. I'd really appreciate it. If you have any questions, math questions you want to ask me, you can hit me up on Twitter and just take a picture of it and send it to me. That's the best way I can help you out with them as soon as I'm able to get to my Twitter. Alright, and then check out my other YouTube channel. It's for fun. For fun. Bye.